Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and with the new Qualcomm X Elite chips coming later this year and many devices, one of the things, of course, that some have asked is about the gaming performance on these ARM-based PCs. Well, Qualcomm wanted to address this issue and said that, of course, developers all have choices. They can take a game and port it to work on native ARM 64, and that, of course, would give it technically the best performance. But they say that most of the games, nothing really has to be done, and they should work fine. They say that the most of the performance issues that come with games have to do with GPU, the graphics processor. So as long as the graphics processor is a good one, they say that the emulation part in a ARM PC for Windows should not really impact the gameplay. So this is interesting and good news. This is going to be interesting to see how, in the real world, that's always the thing that happens, is that between what they say and the real world, sometimes there are some differences, and it doesn't necessarily work the way it anticipated. But hopefully it will, and that means that maybe we'll see some people gaming on some of these ARM PCs at some point. So very interesting to note. And of course, there's a lot of the news lately on the ARM processors, thanks to the Qualcomm X Elite, which is extremely powerful. Now that Google Chrome also is native on ARM, maybe this is all playing towards the fact that later this year and maybe in the next couple of years, finally, ARM PCs will be a thing. Because right now, they are there. They're not that bad on some cases, but they still need to have more popularity, and they need to perform well and basically run as well as standard Windows PCs. So we'll see what the future brings, but it looks good and it looks bright right now with the Qualcomm X Elite. And add to the fact that other manufacturers, including AMD, are working on their own ARM chips too. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.